Have you built a website or an app with Claude, but you're not sure how to actually get it live or how to put it on your own domain so that anyone can see it? I'm going to show you how to do exactly that with one AI command and get your site up and running in minutes. This video is perfect for you if you've never done this before, and if you have been hosting your own websites for years, stick around because I'm also giving away a free design library that will make your designs much more modern and elegant. Let's go. Check out all of these different apps that I've built. I've created over 10 different tools in just the last 30 days. I built this naming tool, a workout app, a business plan builder, and so much more. Check them out on my website, and I'm currently building many more, so subscribe to this channel if you want to follow along. But here's the problem, because every single time I build one of these, the same thing slows me down, and that is actually getting these tools online. So I found a way to let Claude or Codex handle the whole hosting part for me, and I'll show you exactly how. I'm also giving you my ultra-modern liquid glass UI library for free so that your sites don't look like AI made them. Right now, as you can see here, it's stuck on my laptop, so let me show you exactly how we can take it live right in front of you with this new method. And the tool that I'm talking about is called Hostinger. You probably know them from their VPS and agent tools, but they host your sites and apps as well. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by Hostinger, but I've been using them for many years, and I'm generally stoked about this new feature that I'm about to show you because it speeds up my whole workflow like crazy. You'll see it in just a second. Now here's exactly what I'm about to show you. First, I'll connect Hostinger to Claude, then launch my own web page with a single command. After that, I'll show you how to use my free library to spin up a brand new site, and even show you how to redesign an existing site to look much more modern, and how to publish all of these live for free. So here's what makes all of this possible. It's a free Claude Code plugin called Hostinger Connector. Click on the link down in the description below to check it out, because it gives Claude Code direct access to your Hostinger account. So instead of just writing the code, it can actually deploy it for you. It can check out domains, give you real SSL, and it can do all of that from the chat that you're working out of. All you need to do is choose a plan, and you can start for as little as $4 a month. But I'm actually on this plan right here because it gives me unlimited websites to publish and 10 web apps and unlimited mailboxes for all of my businesses. Once you click on the plan that you want, select the time frame right here, and you can type in the coupon code MOE-LUEKER for an additional 10% discount on top of all of this. And if you don't see the discount pop up, simply try the same link with an incognito window and see if it pops up this time. Once you signed up to Hostinger and submitted your payment information, continue to the setup pages. Within those setup pages, just simply follow along, and I'm gonna say create a new site, and you can select anything that you want here. You can also use the Hostinger AI builder, but I usually prefer going with something like Claude, and set up the server in the United States. And here you can see how to build with Hostinger Connector. Let's click on that. And I'm using Claude Code as well as Codex. So simply click on those and click on configure manually. This will leave onboarding, and it will bring us to the MCP where we can select what configuration we want. And you would definitely want the website on, the domain and DNS on, subscription and payments, and email marketing, as well as VPS hosting. I don't have e-commerce, so I'm gonna leave this one off, and we'll leave the file path as this. And you can either copy this, or you copy this JSON config, or you just ask your Claude session that you want to connect to the Hostinger connector. And it just finished implementing everything here. Now we're almost done. We just need to plug in our API token. And in order to get that, simply click on generate my API token. And I'm gonna call this Claude MCP and set the expiration for 1 month and hit generate. The token has been generated, and you can simply copy it to your clipboard and go back to your environment variables and insert that here. I'm not going to do that on camera because then you might be able to steal it. But if you have questions about that, simply ask Claude to help you with it so that you paste that token in the right place. Now that I added my API token, you can check that it's authenticated by clicking on Claude MCP list, or you can simply ask it to check if your connector works. And we can see here that my Hostinger connector is actually connected, and we will also probably confirm that right here. And I can also simply check it by starting a new session and ask if my Hostinger connector MCP is connected. And right here, it's telling me it's connected and ready to go. Awesome. Now that the setup is done, the hardest part is over. Now let me show you the easy part of how easy it is to get a website up and running on Hostinger with this MCP. And the best part of showing this to you is by actually having a very complex site hosted on Hostinger. Let me show you. I have this design library called OpenGlass, and this is a design and user interface library where people can go and select what kind of design they want and check out different components with a nice glass design. And they can even check out how they look and interact with them. them. Now this currently only lives on my computer locally. As you can see here, this is currently running on my machine locally. Now in order to get this online so other people can check this out, I can simply go back to Claude, I create a new session, and I can simply say, please publish the landing page website with the Hostinger connector on a temporary domain on Hostinger. And I can send this off, and we can see here that it's just finishing up the install. So let's go to the live URL that we have, and this should be accessible from anywhere. So if we go to an incognito window, we're able to access that as well. So we can see our whole website being published on Hostinger. How cool is that? This used to take me a lot of time because I would usually have to have a separate GitHub repository hosted somewhere on another server, but now being able to tie everything together with Claude on my existing Hostinger account that I've had for years makes this super straightforward. But if I want to publish this, I can simply say, please publish, and this should be good to go. If we now go back to Hostinger under websites, we can actually see that the website has been launched right here and see the website live in the Hostinger dashboard. You can also click on tools in order to see the file manager, databases, as well as analytics. If you want to connect it to your custom domain, for example, if I want this now to be hosted on my website, MOE-LUEKER.com, or another domain, I can connect the domain right here, or I can simply go back to Claude and simply ask, what is a domain that this is available that I could put this on? And it's using Hostinger again, and it's using the domain checker to check for the availability of multiple different domains. And it gave me this list of openglass.dev, openglass.app, OpenGlass Design, and a few other ones. So I can simply buy one of these either through this dashboard right here, or go back to the dashboard and connect my domain right here. As you can see, once the MCP is installed, it is super simple to use it and to publish any website that you build with Claude on Hostinger. And now that you've seen how easy it is to upload a new website to Hostinger and have it be hosted online so that anyone can see it, let me now show you the bonus tip of how you can use the Glass UI UX library that I just showed you for your own projects and how easy it is to create a website from scratch with Claude and host it on Hostinger. Simply go to Claude Code or spin it up in terminal, but for most of you, you'll be probably working out of this. Select the folder that you want to work out of and give it an instruction. For example, please create a new folder in this directory and recreate a modern version of a banking app, for example, Bank of America, but make it look more modern with Glass UI UX elements from MOE-LUEKER. And at this point, you can also give it the exact instructions that I'm leaving down below in the comments. So check out exactly how you can get access to that so that from now on, you always have access to my Glass UI UX design files. Coming back to this, once you have that, simply send this off. And at the same time, I will create a new one. And for this redesign and the hosting, I'm actually trying to redesign a tool that I've been working on for quite a bit and publish it online so that you can use it. And the app I'm talking about is called Naming Signal. And this is an app where you just put in a description of your business or the tool that you've been working on, and it comes back with a bunch of naming ideas, and it also checks if the domain is available or not. This is a problem I'm trying to solve for myself, and I'm also launching this so you guys can use this as well. Anyways, I'm trying to just redesign this so it looks better because currently I'm not happy with the design. So I can go to my Claude and simply ask it to use my Glass design library in order to redesign the front end for this. Let's hit send. So let's review these two websites that we've built and then use the Hostinger connector in order to publish them online on my Hostinger account. Here's the first one, and this actually looks really clean. I love the glass effect here of the card. That looks super elegant. I like the nav bar, and if I scroll, this is a glass nav bar. I like that this has a grid and the nav bar cards, different UI, UX elements, and the color choice is actually really good. The font could be changed, but I think it works. And overall, I think it did a really good job of implementing this modern, clean design look. I think Claude Opus 5 is generally doing a good job with front-end design. And then if you layer my design skill on top of that, it creates really good front ends. But let's actually publish this online with just one prompt. Go back here and I can give it a simple command like this in order to publish this website. And before we publish this with the Hostinger connector MCP, let us first review the design changes of the naming signal tool that we wanted to port over to the Glass design earlier. Let's use the Hostinger connector MCP and just give Claude one prompt in order to publish this online so that other people can check this out. And while this is going, let's also check out the other design of the naming signal tool that I've built that I wanted to change over to the Glass UI look. So first, let's give it a simple prompt like use the Hostinger connector MCP in order to publish this online as a temporary website URL on my Hostinger account and send this off. At the same time, let's go over here. Let's simply say launch the landing page in the Glass design so I can check it out locally. And here's our other local redesign that we went through. And this looks great as well. It has the same liquid glass look. It has cool cards here. You can click on start a sprint. It has a dark theme and blue. and a great text input field, nice animations right here, and then really nice card looking field under the names. As you can tell, I really like this glass design and the glass look, so I think I'm gonna theme most of the tools that I'm building with that UI and UX. Tell me in the comments if it's too much or if you don't like anything about it, and if you have good points, I might change it. Anyways, let's actually host this publicly as well so that we can share this with other people so that they can get access to this. Once again, we say something like use the Hostinger and connector MCP to publish this online and send this off. Let's check if all of these sites are posted now. We can see over here the modern banking app has finished processing and it's giving us the link right here that we can check out, and it's now posted online and ready to go. This is fully functioning online on my website, and if I go back over to my websites and refresh this, we can see all of the 3 websites that we published. So I believe this is the money app that we built, and let's also check out the naming signal redesign. If we go to these are all redesigned with the new design theme. This is awesome. If you're building websites and you are hosting them online, I highly recommend that you go with Hostinger. Use the link down in the description to get up to 80% off and an additional 10% if you use the code MOE-LUEKER at checkout. If you're curious about the tools that I've built, I'm leaving some links down below. You'll get access to my naming signal tool, the business plan builder, as well as the workout app that I've built. But more importantly, I'm leaving the entire design library of the liquid glass elements that you've seen in this video so that you can use them for your own website design, so that they don't look as AI generated, so that your websites don't look as generic and AI generated as other ones. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and like the video if you learned something new. I'm working on another video that showcases how to build AI systems that scale and how you can create micro apps, so follow this channel if you want to see those next. Check out this video where I use Hostinger in order to build an agent team that builds websites for me, and if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next video.